Hazel, which I think is quite unusual, actually, but it's kind of coming back into popularity. I think a lot of it has to do with this book called The Fault in Our Stars. Has anyone heard of it? Yeah. I hate that book. But I think in a lot of ways, me and the main character have a lot in common. My name is Hazel Grace. Her name is also Hazel Grace. She has terminal cancer, and when I walk for too long, I get this stabbing pain in my foot. So we're basically the same person. I actually went to see The Fault in Our Stars movie when it first came out, and I got shushed for crying too loudly. Those John Lewis adverts, they always get me. I also turned 22 recently, so I can finally put to rest a question that's been haunting us all since 2012. Taylor Swift is a fibber. Feeling 22 does not involve dancing with strangers like she claims. It involves a lot more crying at season 2 of Sex Education at 3 AM in my room. And to kind of help this existential crisis, my best friend got married. She got married at 22, which to be fair, I don't think Taylor saw coming either. And before you ask, no, she didn't ask me if it was okay before she got engaged. She didn't even really think about how it was going to affect me. It's almost like the wedding wasn't even about me. And the worst thing was definitely the hints that were being dropped by my family. My mum kept asking why I didn't have a boyfriend yet, like I knew the reason that I'm inherently unlovable. My grandmother left her wedding ring to my sister in her will. What a bitch. But vindictive wills really do run in the family. I found a will that I'd written when I was 10, because apparently my worst fear at 10 wasn't being kidnapped by Ted Bundy like I thought. It was being kidnapped by Ted Bundy and no one knows what to do with my Beanie Baby collection. But I really took this opportunity to kind of air my grievances, tell everyone what they're doing wrong with their life. I left my friend Philippa my alarm clock, so she could be on time for once. I left my sister my best monsoon dress, because she's wearing it all the time anyway. And I left my mum my pocket money, all £14, because she loves to remind me how much it cost to raise me. So I genuinely took the opportunity of my imminent death to just tell everyone how they've let me down. And now I just do that in stand-up. So, but honestly, me getting kidnapped at 10, pretty viable. I'm very oblivious. Last year I was house sitting and the house got robbed and I didn't notice for a week. Which is kind of the main reason you hire a house sitter, is so they can tell you when your TV goes missing. And not, you know, come back and find it's missing, call a house sitter, she starts crying, it's the whole thing. And this kind of obliviousness really hit a peak in my first year. I was at Pre's at my friend Adam's house. He lived in Glen Eyre, where they have those like fancy little toilets inside their rooms because they think they're better than us. In my first year, I lived in Bencraft. If you haven't heard of it, it's because it's right by the crematorium. So you could kind of smell the burning bodies in the air when you woke up. I essentially spent first year on the set of The Boy in Striped Pajamas. That's great. But halfway through the freeze, I decided I need the toilet. Adam says, go 2 on the left. So obviously, I'm going 2 on the right. Get into the toilet and start having some sort of mini breakdown. You know when you're drunk and you look in the mirror and you're like, who am I? That was me. And then I started rearranging his shampoo bottles, spray cleaning his sink with my hands. Realized I'd been there like 10 minutes, so I switched off the light in the room and left. 10 minutes later, Adam got a text from his housemate saying, hey, yo, one of your friends just walked in on me masturbating. Spent 10 minutes shouting in the toilet. Switched off the light and left. And to be honest, I kind of should have seen that coming, because usually I don't have to pick the locks to get into people's rooms. Thank you very